Out of Washington, and President Trump tweeting his reaction to those protests overnight. Twitter then flagging his comments, saying the tweet violated rules about glorifying violence, escalating his showdown with the social media giant. Our senior White House correspondent Cecilia Vega is in Washington with more on this. Good morning, Cecilia.
Amy, good morning to you. And this is sure to escalate that war even more. It happened just before 1 a.m. Take a look. President Trump tweeting, "I can't stand back and watch this happen to a great American city, Minneapolis, a total lack of leadership." He then goes on to blast the city's mayor as weak, telling him to get it under control, or he says he will send in the National Guard and that, quote, "These thugs are dishonoring the memory of George Floyd, and I won't let that happen." The president adding, quote, "Any difficulty and we will assume control, but when the looting starts, the shooting starts," he says. Now, Twitter flagged that, as you said, as a violation of its rules about glorifying violence. That means users can't see that shooting line unless they specifically click on it. Minneapolis's mayor responding quickly, saying weakness is pointing your finger at somebody else during a time of crisis. But of course, this move by Twitter overnight, it's just the latest salvo in all of this. The president signed that executive order targeting social media companies yesterday after Twitter had put those fact-check labels on his tweets earlier this week. But legal experts say the order will likely end up in the courts. And without action from Congress, they are predicting this move by the president might prove to be more bluster than anything else.
All right, Cecilia Vega for us. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.